It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek, and today I'm in Victorville, California at Richie's Real American Diner. Now, if you're traveling from Vegas to LA, or from LA to Vegas, or just through Victorville on your way to wherever you're going, Richie's is the place to stop for some real American diner food. And diner food is real American food. It probably is the realest American food of all. I mean, if you like Denny's, I think you're going to like Richie's. So let's see what's on the menu. With the appetizers, there's no better way to start than a sampler platter, or maybe the super nachos. And right underneath the appetizers, well, there's the desserts. Not a bad way to start a meal in my opinion, but there is so much more to eat. Let's see what's up with the burgers. They've got a half pounder with cheese, a real American chili cheese burger, a natural burger for vegetarians, a California burger, and there's the malts and shakes and sweet drinks. And the lunch specials. It wouldn't be a diner without a lunch special, and here you can get a meatloaf lunch, a spaghetti lunch, a cheeseburger lunch, or even fish and chips. But for me, well, you might think I'm going to order the spaghetti. Well, there's something I'm craving a little bit more today than spaghetti. And you might guess fried chicken. And you'd be kind of right. I'm talking chicken fried steak. The kind of fried chicken that isn't chicken. It's steak. And it comes smothered in gravy. White, peppery gravy that just blankets the crispy fried chicken coating of a chopped beef steak. This is American food, all right. The decor here at Richie's Real American Diner, it does look like the 50s. The booths, the colors, the patterns, and of course, the food. All right, here's our food. Now, the lunch specials come with soup or salad. And we've got one of each. This is a salad. And for a diner, it's not a bad-looking salad. Got your lettuce and croutons. And this is the split pea soup. Split pea soup is one of the most wonderful soups in the world. And there's a lot of good soups out there. But even better, it's my chicken fried steak. With mashed potatoes on the side and both covered in gravy. There's corn too. And here's the fish and chips. Maybe not diet food, but it certainly looks good. But what really looks good to me is this chicken fried steak. Look, I mean, it comes with a biscuit. You've got biscuit, creamed corn, mashed potatoes, gravy, and fried chicken steak. Or chicken fried steak. Or steak fried chicken. However you want to say it. This is one of the best American foods that anyone's ever invented. That's for sure. Fish and chips, of course, famously British. One of the best British foods ever invented, that's for sure. Not sure if getting it at an American diner is going to be the best fish and chips ever, but it looks like a pretty decent batch of fish and chips. It's a lot of fried food here. But this is what is so amazing about American diners. It's unapologetic. No apologies. Lots of gravy, lots of butter, lots of fat, lots of fried foods, sweet foods, all the best foods in the world when you really want to indulge and enjoy your meal. And if that isn't what life's about, then I don't know what it is about life. Here's the chicken fried steak. And you know what? This is fried chicken. It's chicken fried chicken. how lucky do I have to be to order chicken fried steak and actually get chicken fried chicken? I do feel lucky. I guess I need to get back to Vegas. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about Richie's Real American Diner. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas and beyond. All here at Richie's All-American Diner Cafe. What's it called?
Richie's Real American Diner.
Okay. Richie's Real American Diner?
Yes.
Okay. Right here at Richie's Real American Diner. It does seem kind of real and American. Definitely a diner.